Okay, let me share this with you. Experience is the best teacher, just like lead by example, don't be a preacher. In my life I've had many lessons, the ones I love make the best impressions. Live and learn about fashion and trends, girls, dating, making friends. Each time you go through one episode, it grows you and will give you a load of knowledge, wisdom, that's what showed. Experience is the best teacher, growth me to become just who I am. Bad situations gets one blam, my third eye vision will cut out the sham. All them fakers, Mickey Mouse takers, low vibe energy, they are the makers. Try to use you, take your stuff, don't bring it back, you've had enough. Then you ask them, what's going on? You've had my stuff for far too long, please bring it back, come buy your own. You can't be a friend if I have to moan to get you to bring something back. You borrowed from me, I think that's slack. You don't even want to give it me back, plus it's all in a bad condition. Find me another one, not your mission. Your true colors are finally showing themselves to a man like me. But that's okay, cause know thyself. Lessons are so good for your health. Pass them what will lead to enough wealth. Leave them backbiters on the shelf. They hang around and they try to get money and get you to take them out. It's not funny, sometimes I'd rather just be on my own to keep life simple. I've always known, don't get caught in gossip and talk. Close up your ears, it's best to walk. G-O-T-E, that's what I be, a god of the earth, no mental slavery.